Please raise your hand, introduce yourself and ask the question.
check. हाय वरुण, हाय कृति, व्हाट्सअप आलोक। मैं बहुत बढ़िया हूँ और गाना बहुत ताबड़तोड़ है और अपबीट है तो डांस करने में मजा आएगा। सवाल ये है कि आप दोनों से सवाल है कि कौन सी ऐसी चीजें हैं जिनके द्वारा आपके मन में इमोशन जागता है और आप इमोशनली हो जाते हैं?
इमोशनली इस कॉन्टेक्स्ट में जो इमोशन जो इमोशन है इसमें आई थिंक इट्स मोर प्लेफुल एंड फन बिकॉज जो ये लव स्टोरी ऐसे ही शुरू होती है जहाँ लड़का ट्राई कर रहा है लड़की के लिए और उसको देख के इसके मन में इमोशन जागरूक होता है। तो आई थिंक मेरे साथ काफी बार हुआ है। जब मैं पहली बार कॉलेज गया था तो रोज डे था एंड आई सॉ दिस रियली ब्यूटीफुल गर्ल, तो मेरे मन में इमोशन जगा, बट देन आई रियलाइज दैट गर्ल वाज डेटिंग समवन एल्स, तो फिर एक और नया इमोशन आया। बट व्हाट अबाउट यू कृति?
क्या देख के इमोशन जागता है? आई थिंक आई रियली लव डांसिंग, सो एक्चुअली मुझे जब डांस करने को मिलता है, लाइक व्हाट यू सॉ, आई रियली फील हैप्पी एंड या there are a lot of things.
Actually she's a different person when we are shooting a song and she's a different person when we are shooting a scene.
Rubbish.
Yeah, she's much better जब आप गाना शूट कर रहे हो कृति सैनन कृति स्वान के साथ, तो वो मच बेटर है, उनका मूड बहुत अच्छा रहता है, खुश रहती है। और इस गाने में तो इतनी ठंडी थी तो मुझे तो बल्गेरियन लग रही थी उधर ईस्टर्न यूरोप में।
मैं ठंडी थी या वहां पे ठंडी थी?
नहीं आप तो गर्म थे उधर, पर वातावरण में ठंड थी।
अभी तो नहीं, लेकिन जब ये Q&A खत्म होगा तो एक गुजारिश होगी कि आप दोनों अगर हम कर सकें इस गाने को।
ये बहुत अच्छा गाता है, बहुत।
मुझे पता है, इसीलिए मैंने बोला कि वरुण अभी या आखिरी में।
हाँ, ओए I'll do the dance step. I'll do one step.
So we've spent a lot of money.
इस गाने को देख के मन में क्या है? Actually, I've seen this song for the first time. मैं अभी गोवा से ही वापस आया हूँ in the 7:30 morning flight and genuinely मैं थोड़ा बहुत nervous था क्योंकि एक तो वो डॉल्बी का introduction ऐसा हुआ कि मैंने बोला can we live up to this? तो the hype was so much and then when I saw the song and heard it with the atmosphere and everything, I was quite happy and this is my 13th song with Remo D'Souza. So that is also a very proud moment. It's the 11th song in a year. In 1 year, me and he have done 11 songs, which is an achievement in itself. And he couldn't be here today, but for me that is also a very emotional, मन में emotional जागने वाला चीज.
About the song, even I saw it for the first time actually. I had seen a very short version of it, and I really loved it. I mean, I was very happy. I was telling him बीच में मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. But the locations, everything around, you know, I think it's very funky. It has a lot of color, and Remo sir's done a fabulous job with the choreography. And I think हम दोनों भी अच्छे ही लग रहे हैं.
I think हम खुश होके क्या करेंगे? The audience has to react to this.
आपके मन में emotion जागना चाहिए, जागा या नहीं? That's what I want to know.
And usually you're not very happy in other events, so I'm not going to take the name of which one, but thanks.
Let's move on to the next question, please. Yeah.
Hi Varun, this is Urvi here from Pinkula. To your
Urvi, what's up? How's it going?
Hi, good. Varun, I just read that in this song during the shoot you had to jump from almost
That truck.
12
Yeah.
from the truck. Was there any kind of nervousness that you had?
I'll tell you two things that happened and don't kill me for this. So the shot was that I jumped from this truck. I can stand on these? Okay, sorry. So I jumped from a truck and I like, come here na Kriti.
Are you jumping
Just
on
jump.
me or
No,
what?
I won't jump on you, stand over. So I had to jump from the truck and
1 second, the truck was much higher, right?
exactly, the truck was much higher so I looked much taller than Kriti. तो जब मैं ट्रक पे था तो मैं
और वो
बोल रहा
truck पे
था
क्या लिखा था?
जो भी लिखा था, क्या लिखा था?
Size doesn't matter.
Size doesn't matter, ठीक है, वो मैंने लिखा था. But when I was in truck, I was saying, हर्षा, क्या रे? I was very happy. I was feeling big. ट्रक पे हूँ मैं, पहली बार एंट्री हो रही है. ट्रक से कट टू जंप एंड वी रीच डाउन. तब ऐसे हो गया.
And he usually stands like this only, so it's very
I
big.
have a wide stance to stand like that. तो तब मैंने बोला ये क्या हो गया?
और फिर तब
तो रेमो सर ने बोला कि
ये
बड़ा
हो गया.
डांस, he said बड़ा डांस करो. We can't have you squatting too much and all that stuff. But overall, I think the truck is Rohit sir's idea that तू ट्रक से एंट्री करना, गाड़ी वाड़ी बहुत हो गई अभी. तो I think I was a little scared that I don't get hurt, but then during a photo shoot, जब Kriti jumped, she did fall. So I think she should answer.
Yeah, because I don't do it usually. He's very used to
I'm not
doing
jumping
action
from
and stuff.
trucks every day.
But you're used to doing action. I've never
is my
done it.
first role
But he
for
actually
people.
taught me how to fall and how to
fall?
Yeah, in the sense how to you need
हाँ.
to squat a little and all.
हाँ.
Also, Kriti, Varun, same, Urvi.
Urvi.
Varun is known for his, dance, and he has worked with Remo. This was the first time you are doing a hip hop number. How nervous were you when you had to match steps with him?
एक तो I think coming from Tiger to Varun firstly, I think मेरी training हो रही है अभी मुझे लग रहा है because मुझे ऐसे ही dancer type actors मिल रहे हैं जो बहुत ही फाड़ू
Her third
dancers
film
हैं.
is with Prabhu Deva.
So, but yeah, I was a little nervous considering the fact that he was coming after ABCD 2, and I had seen, and he had become he was dancing like a professional dancer, and of course Remo sir choreographing it. So there was this little bit of nervousness, but I think when we started rehearsing, it did go fine. I mean, the only thing with him is that you really have to push yourself to be that energetic because he's always jumping.
Hi Varun, over here.
Hi, how are
Ramesh
you?
here.
How's it going?
Good, how are you? Varun, you paid tribute to Shah Rukh Khan and Humpty Sharma ki
Dulhania.
Dulhania. And then even on the Gerua song launch event, you and Kriti.
Yeah.
So if you have to remake any Shah Rukh Khan film, which one would it be and why?
The two actually that I really want to do. Maybe later. I don't know whether I can or no, but Dar or Bazigar. Because this always happens to me whenever I do a lot of happy films or happy things. Suddenly my mood turns badle ki taraf. So then, yeah.
There's a little dark side to him, yeah.
Hi, my name is Rishi. I work with India Infoline Limited. Varun, Kriti, congratulations, a great song. The question is to Mr. Ajay. 477 is a great mark, and so what I wanted to ask you was, do you expect, after the initial week, or specifically the weekend when the movie releases, do you expect a lot of footfalls to continue? Because the class is amazing. You've got everything best, as everybody is agreeing with it, and there are a lot of more ways that have come to watch the movies now. So, do you expect a lot of footfalls continuing with the quality that you're giving to the customers?
I think people still prefer to watch the films on the big screen. I mean, as I said, the kind of format and the way the filmmaking is happening just now, it can only be enjoyed on the big screen. So we do find if the marketing and everything is good of the film and the buzz is there, the first weekend is very good anyway. And then if the movie is good and people are not disappointed, then it does last at least 2 to 3 weekends, could be 4 weekends. So movie people we can't at the same time also interfere with what the consumer, how he wants to watch his film. But there are enough people, as I said, 3 billion tickets get sold in India. That means 300 billion visitations happen to a cinema. We're getting about, I think, 80 million people will come to PVR cinemas. So I think there's still a lot of appetite for people to go out and entertain themselves. And it's the purest form of out-of-home entertainment.
Varun, straight.
Yes, sir.
Hi, Sonu Pierre from Indian Express.
Hi, Sonu.
Hi. Varun, first of all, I'm interested in knowing how many number of cars were used in this song.
We didn't count.
No,
literally. बहुत
honestly,
सारी
there
थी.
were a lot. They are over, I think, 60, 70 easily. And it's not actually, it's the quality of the cars. You had like every brand from a Mustang to a Beamer to a Hummer to a monster truck to a Ferrari. I mean, I was shocked myself that none of these cars get damaged, though they were not mine. But honestly, it looks expensive and it is expensive.
Also, we hear that Team Dilwale is going to Big Boss. What is it like, and have you already planned the
We are actually, me and Kriti actually might enter the house a little early. We might do it on this 28th with Manwa. We might, I've spoken to Salman Bhai, so he said, why don't you come and get the song there. I think Shah Rukh sir might go a little later. And I think when Shah Rukh Khan and Salman Khan are in the same frame, I don't think you want to see anyone else. So मैं तो नहीं जा रहा हूँ, मैं TV पे देखूँगा.
Ajay, I have a question for you. Here, same. Brilliant theatre, nice ambience. You're also distributing Dilwale, right? I am interested in knowing the screen space that Dilwale would be getting as compared to Bajirao Mastani. Will the screen space be same for both the films, or will Dilwale have an edge over Bajirao?
I don't think we've decided the distribution strategy because I think you end up wearing two hats when you're an exhibitor as well as a distributor. So as an exhibitor, we'll be playing the movies. You only have around 500 screens at that time. But these are big movies. They'll probably end up playing in 3,000 screens, 4,000 screens. So it's difficult to, just now sort of, we haven't really done our calculations.
It's evolved close. It kind of, the whole strategy gets evolved closer to the release date. So of course, it's a bit too soon, yeah. But of course, they are both really big films, and this one will also have a very, very wide release.
मैंने पूरी पिक्चर में हील नहीं पहनी,
क्या ये आपके लिए
मैंने अभी भी हील नहीं पहनी है.
क्या आपके लिए ये डिसएडवांटेज था या एडवांटेज था?
No, I love wearing flats. Yeah, heels तो मतलब बहुत लोग होते हैं जिनको पहननी पड़ती है to look tall. I think it's an advantage. I don't like wearing heels. They're very uncomfortable.
हाय वरुण.
What's up, Bhavyu?
गुड गुड गुड. वरुण, आप दोनों से सवाल है.
हाँ जी.
अगर जब भी शाहरुख की फिल्म आती है तो एक फेस्टिव सीजन हो जाता है और हम सब उसमें शामिल हो जाते हैं, और इस बार आप दोनों भी इसमें शामिल हैं, तो आई फील कैसा लग रहा है इस दिलवाले टीम से जुड़कर और इस फेस्टिवल को मनाना?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है क्योंकि जैसे आपने कहा हंसी खेल का माहौल है, साथ में शाहरुख भाई भी है और काजल मैम भी है, एंड आई थिंक ओवरऑल रोहित शेट्टी मेक्स फिल्म्स फॉर द फैमिली. आजकल बहुत कम डायरेक्टर रह गए जो फैमिलियों के लिए फिल्म बनाते हैं, एंड आई थिंक दिस फिल्म इज लाइक दैट. देयर इज लाफ्टर, देयर इज रोमांस, देयर इज ड्रामा, देयर इज एक्शन, सब कुछ है एक व्यूअर के लिए इसमें. एंड ऑनेस्टली आई डू फिल्म्स सो दैट when people watch it in the theater they get a smile on it, and जब festive season है तो already जो इंसान है वो अंदर खुश आ रहा है. So we just want that when you come and watch this film, आप लोग जो common man है जो थका हुआ है, इतना काम कर रहा है रोज, अपनी फैमिली के साथ आता है and he just enjoys and relaxes in one of the best ACs that PVR is offering, the best seats, the best sound, and he watches दिलवाले आराम से and says वाह क्या फिल्म है.
But are you expecting this to be another Dilwale Dulhania, and you wish that it goes on?
I hope, see the idea is that we just hope people really love this film and like it and like all the characters and our work.
And you can't compare, yeah. The two.
I'm not comparing. I'm just saying, do you wish that a movie of yours
Very easy, Kriti.
becomes?
No, in the sense बहुत अलग films हैं
Kriti.
actually.
Mr. Check.
Yeah. अरे आप हो मैम, कैसे हो? My favorite car is actually that monster truck. क्योंकि I told Rohit sir, I said आपकी हर फिल्म में तो हीरो के पास गाड़ी होती है और वो स्किट कर रहा है, कुछ हो रहा है, पर ये ट्रक किसी के पास नहीं है.
और unfortunately ये गाने के लिए मिली है बस.
और ये ट्रक, I said I'll be the only like hero, I think in history of Indian cinema to enter on a monster truck.
Mr. Bisli,
Just praised myself, but thank you. I tried to enter this event on that truck, but the authorities said they'll arrest me, so we dropped the idea.
And Ajay, there's a question for you. We also had gold.
Gold, you have gold, give me.
Gold class earlier, and now too we are having gold class.
Come again?
Two of them.
What was? Basically everything has changed. There were a lot of seats in the first gold class, so we've given more legroom and seat width. We've reduced the number of seats. The seats have become leather, and you have to experience it. So I think after this, we can show you the gold class lounge.
I swear to God, I sat over there. It's outstanding. पूरा like the technology is such कि आप finger के button से ऐसे खड़े हो तो ये ऊपर आता है. You can go back. ऐसे चले जाता है. I'm saying to you can put the screen up also if you want. ऊपर देख लो picture.
I think slowly he's going to lie down on this seat also.
but that's the reason they're calling it the love seats. You know, just in case you're not enjoying the movie, you can at least enjoy the company.
No, and you can cuddle and watch also. वो जो armrest है वो भी ऊपर चले जाते हैं.
Kriti control.
I'm not saying, I'm telling her.
She doesn't want to do these things, but
And as Ajay sir says that you have to actually experience that.
You got it.
And from tomorrow, so when do we open? It's open from tomorrow?
We're opening tomorrow at 12 o'clock.
Wow.
वरुण इधर वरुण.
Come again? Oh, this is just a logo. There's no.
that's pointing towards Dilwale. See?
Yeah, or pointing towards Dilwale.
Okay, one final question.
आपसे सवाल
हाँ जी पूछिए आप.
कि बदलापुर में आपका इंटेंस रूप देखा
आप कहाँ
गया.
के संवाददाता है?
मैं ईटीवी से हूँ.
हाँ?
ईटीवी.
ETV, हाँ जी.
जी. बदलापुर में इंटेंस रूप देखा गया आपका ABCD में. अब इस फिल्म में भी क्या हम इंटेंस पार्ट आपका देखने को?
एक इंटेंस पार्ट है, ड्रामेटिक पार्ट है थोड़ा, बट जो फिल्म है थोड़ी सी रोमांचक है, थोड़ी हंसी खेल के साथ है, एंड ऑब्वियसली रोमांस एंड ड्रामा है. देयर इज वन पार्ट जो मैं बताना नहीं चाहता हूँ, बट एक ट्विस्ट जैसा है सेकेंड हाफ में, which I think you'll see, which I'm looking forward for people to see. It's a very emotional part.
Hi, my question is to Varun and Kriti. The trailer is out and some songs are also out. So
बात कर रहे हो
Yeah.
हमें तो पता ही नहीं था
No, no, no. My question is, I want to know. Not much is known about the main plot of the film.
Correct.
So, do you want
But
to?
that was the point, no?
Yeah. So, is that the reason why? Is there something special about the?
You've seen Inception.
Yeah.
You understood it.
Yes.
You liked it.
Yes.
Then you like Dilwale also.
No, but my point is that a strategy to kind of hold?
See, there are a lot of things. There's the CEO of Red Chillies was just looking at me कि तू भाई
बोल
तू
मत
office में
देना।
मिल मुझे. No, but there's a lot to Dilwale, like I said, and it's a very big film. I don't think the entire film can fit into one trailer as in such, but there is a plot, there is a story, and it is totally logical. It does make sense. It's a full-on 2015 film which has a lot of twists and turns also, and you can mark me on this one. But we purposely not kind of shown too much about it because we want the audience to come to the theater and enjoy it. पहले ही सब कुछ दिखा दिया फिर मजा
And
नहीं आएगा.
actually इस फिल्म में इतना सारा कुछ है that I remember telling Rohit sir कि आप पता नहीं कैसे काटोगे ट्रेलर because it's very difficult to actually show all of it. Shut up.